Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to set up your Masjid TV display to easily show prayer timings, announcements, events, and much more, all without the need of any additional hardware. The first step is to log in to the CMZ Admin Portal. Simply grab your phone or computer and open the link provided in the description below. It will take you directly to the CMZ Admin Portal where you can get started. If you haven't created an account yet, no problem. Click on Sign Up, fill in your details, and you're done. It only takes a couple of minutes. If you already have an account, just click Login and enter your details. Once you've completed the login process, the next step is to install the CMZ app on your TV. Let's go through the steps together to get it set up. Turn on your TV at the home screen. You should see something called the Google Play or Play Store or some store depending on your TV brand. Go ahead and click on it to open it. Once you're inside the store, click on the search bar and type CMZ. You'll see the CMZ Masjid TV display app. Open and install it. That's it, the app is on your TV. Now, some TVs may not have a store, or you may not be able to find the CMZ TV app in there. No problem at all, there are two other easy ways. First, if you don't have a smart TV, use a streaming dongle like Fire TV stick or an Android stick. Plug it into your TV's HDMI port, set it up, then install the CMZ app. We've linked recommended options in the description, but you can buy from anywhere that's convenient for you. Second option is to use your TV's built-in browser, just like the one you use on your phone or computer. Look for an app on your TV called Browser, Internet, or Web Browser. It's usually in your apps list or home screen. Open it, and in the address bar at the top, type this or copy the link from the description below. Great. So now, whether you've installed the app, opened the browser, or set up your dongle, go ahead and open the CMZ app on your TV. As soon as it opens, you'll see a screen with a code on it. It'll be a 6-digit number right in the middle of the screen. This is your pairing code. This code links your TV to the CMZ Admin Portal, and whatever you set up on the portal will show up directly on your TV screen. So just keep your TV screen visible. We're going to use it in the very next step. Now head back to the admin portal where you signed in. Click on the Connect TV. Now click on Add New TV. In the second step, you have to enter the code. This is where you type in that pairing code you saw on your TV screen just a moment ago. Go ahead and type it in carefully. Then give your TV an alias name. This is just so you can recognize it later. You can call it something like Main Hall or Entrance Screen. Now click on Pair TV. And just like that, your TV is successfully paired. Now comes the fun part. You can choose what you want to show on your TV screen. Let's start with Salah timings. Click on Salah and then click Save. And watch what happens on your TV screen. See how the TV updated straight away? Whatever you change here on the portal, your TV will show it instantly. Now let's try events and announcements. Click on these options and hit Save again and look at the TV. Every time you switch between options, your TV reacts right away. You can also choose different themes to change the overall look and colors of your display and select portrait or landscape orientation. Once you're happy with the settings, just click Save. Now let's explore some of the extra features that make this display even more powerful. In the portal, select your TV from the Edit section, then navigate to Advanced Settings. Here you can choose from the multiple languages you'd like prayer times to be displayed in. You can also turn on audio notifications so everyone in the masjid knows it's almost time for Salah. There's also a prayer countdown timer which can be adjusted accordingly. And finally, there's a feature called Prayer Blackout. When enabled, your TV screen will automatically go dark, helping to create a calm and peaceful atmosphere during Salah. And honestly, that is all there is to it. Just in 3 steps, your Masjid TV display is fully up and running, showing prayer times, events, announcements, and more automatically. For the smoothest display experience, we recommend installing the app from the Google Play Store, Fire TV Store, or LG Store. If your TV doesn't support these options, simply copy the URL link from the admin portal and enter it in your browser to display. If you still have any questions, please drop them in the comments below or use the Contact Us section from the admin portal. We'd love to help you out. Click the sign up link in the description below and get your TV display live today. Jazakallahu khairan.